Eat your food then.
Tasha, where the food at?
What is wrong with y'all? Y'all is weird as hell.
You playing around, bro.
No, eat your food for daddy get you in trouble. No
There
food.
food.
There is food. Eat it. It's... Oh my God.
Tasha, where the food at?
Open. Open.
Oh, try me.
What's up, BT gang? It's your girl Tasha back with another freaking banger, y'all. I know y'all read that title. I know y'all saw that thumbnail. I know that y'all know that today your girl is about to get that at y'all. Today I'm about to be getting Brock with serving my fiance invisible food to get his reaction. It is about to be a freaking banger, but before we get into it, I'm gonna need y'all to make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe if you're new on the road to 200K, so smash it one time for your girl. Also make sure you smash that post notification bell so you don't miss none of the freaking bangers. You gotta make the bell go ring, ding, dong, hey, ring, ding, 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 dong. Smash the bell, y'all, and post notification gang. Post notification shout outs go to Teresa Austin, Chelsea, Crystal Jackson, Nicole Barner, Willie Anthony, and Jerica. Thank y'all so much for showing us so much love down in the comment section below. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. And if you would like a shout out in an upcoming video, just make sure your post notifications are set to on and you are hashtagging post notification gang down in the comment section below. Now let me tell you what your girl finna do. So look, y'all, Brock just got me a little while ago. And I said I wasn't gonna cook, but I came back down just so I can cook for myself and serve him some invisible food. He is about to be hot because my boys are upstairs. I think I'm gonna get Noah too because he been getting me with his daddy. So I think I'm gonna throw Noah in there and I'm about to be serving Noah and Brock invisible food to get that reaction while I eat my delicious real food, okay? It is about to be a freaking banger, BT gang. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, click that post notification bell, and let's go.
5 minutes later.
Yeah. Smelling good down here. Finally. Cooking with white ass.
I got cooking with something for your ass. Whew. Okay, after I done slayed. I didn't get y'all no juice today. Okay. Y'all can get it though. Y'all got legs. My hands was fluffy. Yeah, that season just like. You eating Noah?
This ain't nothing.
What you mean it ain't nothing? Okay, don't act like your daddy. Your daddy came down here.
Where the food at?
Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
So we gotta do a buffet or something?
A buffet.
Is this a buffet or something?
If y'all don't eat that food before it get cold, it's not ground dog.
Oh!
Eat what food, Tasha?
The food.
No, don't feed into that. It ain't got on the plate.
No, eat your eggs. Taste your eggs. That tastes good.
Where is it? The plate?
Why is your hand in the? Get your hand out the food, Noah. Get your hand out the food.
Where is the food? Is it in your mouth? We gotta eat after you in your mouth?
Where our food at? Why is you playing around?
Yeah.
Where our food at? You sitting there crunching on the damn delicious sandwich. You're a hash brown.
On your plate. Y'all acting real weird.
Bruh.
Tasha, ain't no food in here, bro. Where's the food? We hungry. You playing around? Come on, man. We've been hungry a long time ago. You said you wasn't cooking. Now you gonna say you cooking. Now what did you do? Where the food at?
Eat your food then.
Tasha, where the food at?
What is wrong with
Is the
y'all?
food on the damn
Y'all
stove?
acting weird as hell.
You playing around, bro. You doing all
No, eat your food for daddy get you in trouble. No
There ain't
phone.
no gay food.
There is food. Eat it. It's, oh my God.
Tasha, where the food at?
Open. Open.
Oh, try me, bitch.
You know what? Here, you finish that plate. I'm gonna finish it.
No, you ain't. You ain't getting mine. I made mine extra special.
So what are we supposed to do, Tasha? So you gonna call us down here like you about to eat?
Cooking with Tasha.
Like you got the food already?
The food Tasha. Taste this little winger. Cooked to perfection.
What is this?
It ain't nothing. She ain't gonna make nothing. She gonna call us down here and not make us nothing. Not give us nothing at all, bro.
Here, bro. I guess you want to be like the baby too. Open. It's good, huh?
It's delicious.
I told you. Eat it. Eat it.
Go ahead, eat it, Noah. Eat the food on the plate.
It's good for you.
Bruh.
Yep. Cooking with Tati. Cooking with Tati.
Okay. After we finish eating, we're gonna go upstairs. We're gonna pack mommy clothes. Okay? And we're gonna set it outside. And she about to have an imaginary house. We got imaginary food. She about to have imaginary goddamn house.
Ain't nothing imaginary about the food.
Where the food at?
It's on your plate. Oh, you must have ate it. Damn, you cleaned your plate. Didn't
Is you trying to say we eat too much or something?
That plate cool down the counter.
It's
Done.
I didn't even eat nothing. What you mean it's
You
clean?
licked that plate clean. God damn. Sheesh, I know I did my thing.
Man, you ain't doing nothing
No,
special.
slow down before you choke. No way eating so
There's
fast.
no food on here. You told me.
Damn, you ate your food that fast too?
There's nothing on there.
Yes, it was. I filled them plates up. I left me a little bit. I gave y'all a majority of the food.
Really, nigga?
You have the most weird.
Let me
Eggs was
get a bite of
fluffy.
the eggs. Let me get a bite of the eggs.
You ate yours. You ain't want to get mine.
What you want to eat, bro? We about to get some meat. What you want?
McDonald's.
We gonna look at McDonald's. So you gonna have us go all the way to McDonald's when you could just.
So you gonna have me slave over at kitchen stove and cook y'all some hash browns, eggs, and shit. And y'all gonna go to McDonald's?
We already fake. I don't know what you want me to do. I already fake ate your eggs.
They were good, huh? They were good. Fluffy.
What's wrong with you?
He eating.
I'm about to send you upstairs. Me and mom about to have that talk.
Why? Let him eat. Let him eat.
Okay. I'm cooking.
You enjoying it,
I'm
Pootie?
cooking the next 4 meals in the house.
What you mean, no?
There ain't nothing on here. What is this? Look.
What all did you want?
You could have gave us a slice of toast or something there.
I gave y'all, it was eggs, hash browns, and sausage.
And did you eat it before we came down?
No, I made my plate, I made y'all's plate. Don't be mad at me because y'all ate yours that quick. You should have savored it. You should have savored it. That was good, I'm full now. I mean, I got this little bit left, you want it? I'm done, I'm full. You know what? Change my mind.
What? Get a boy the rest of your plate. I pay the rest.
I got hungry again.
At least I had a little teeny tiny bite of that hash brown.
It tastes just like yours.
Come on. Put your shoes on, man. Put your shoes on.
Where y'all going?
We're going to go get something to eat.
Yes.
Because you playing around. Come here. You gonna put the Crocs on? Put the Crocs on. Put the Crocs on. Put the Crocs on.
How am I playing? That just came, you came down messing with me. You done pranked me. I
You
cooked
gonna ask me
y'all food.
how are you playing?
Yeah.
I don't know how you playing, Tasha. I guess this is all Tinkerbell land, Peter Pan land or some shit. I guess we just imaginary some shit. Okay, I don't know how you,
How you mad?
Just know I'm going to cook our next 4 or 5 meals, and I'm going to imaginary cook, make your mother play.
What? Bruh, you greedy. You swallowed it.
Tasha, I don't know how to eat them. I don't know what you want me to do. I don't know how to eat imaginary food.
You already ate it. It's gone, obviously.
But he didn't cook enough then. I'm still hungry.
Well, whose fault is that? You can't blame that on me. Shoot, y'all tore that up. Was it good?
No.
It was nasty.
What did I get in my belly?
Thank you. What you mean? What food? If there was no food to you, what food are you talking about?
The hash brown, sausage, and eggs. I know you ain't hungry.
Why would you be hungry?
I'm really mad.
Come on. Come on.
Okay, well
Yeah.
give me a ice cream sundae. I got a sweet tooth now that I
I
done
didn't
finished
give
that.
you nothing.
What you mean you ain't getting me nothing?
What you want? No. Let me write it down. Let me write that.
You ain't give us nothing.
What you want, baby?
I gave y'all food.
No, all right.
I
No.
just
Oh, no. We're gonna get her something like what? I mean, we're gonna get her something. What you want, baby?
A caramel,
A caramel.
ice cream sundae, extra caramel.
Yeah, okay.
And that's it.
That's it? You want nuts?
They don't have nothing.
I know I'm just gonna go to the store and get you. I go to the store and get you
You
nuts.
gonna get some
Yeah,
here?
you
Yeah,
want
and I
nuts?
want some pecans.
Pecan?
Yeah.
You want anything else while I'm at the store? You need something to drink?
No, I think I'm good on the drink.
You don't want the Shirley Temple?
Ooh, a Shirley Temple would be nice.
What else you want?
That's it.
What else you want? Okay.
That's it.
We back. We back. Come here. We're not getting hurt. Goddamn. Come on.
Oh! What you mean you ain't getting me nothing?
What you mean what I mean?
What I mean is what you mean you ain't getting me nothing?
Tasha, stop playing around and go finish cooking the damn food.
I finished.
You only gonna make you only made enough for you. Where's the food at the end? You only made enough for you?
Ate it. Y'all fat as heck.
Tasha, where's the rest of the
Cause
food,
how
bro?
y'all ate all that food and don't realize
You
ate
cooked
it?
the food and hid the shit. Where's it at? It's nothing on the damn top.
It was on your plate. Noah, don't listen to your daddy.
Come on.
Don't let your daddy
Let's
mess
go
your
make
head
out.
up.
Let's go make out. Let's go make out.
Don't let your daddy mess your head up.
Let's go make out. Let's go make out.
So y'all really gonna go get McDonald's after y'all just ate?
Yeah. Yeah, we are. Obviously, hungry, she said.
Why are you still hungry?
Because your food ain't got no nutritional value.
It do.
Yeah,
I can't tell y'all lick the plate clean.
Yeah. Imagination eggs ain't got no goddamn nutritional
The
value.
plates look clean to me.
Imagination sausage ain't got no damn nutritional value. What are you talking about?
You and your weird son.
We about to go get you everything. You sure you don't need nothing else to add to your list?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm full. I didn't tore mine up.
You don't need nothing for the rest of the day.
Huh?
Nothing for the rest of the day.
No, I'm gonna make dinner tonight. I'm planning on making.
You're not. I'm making dinner tonight. You're not making.
I'm gonna make dinner.
No, hell no. I'm making dinner tonight. No, hell no.
Definitely making dinner.
I clearly said I'm making the next 4 meals.
But I don't need you to. I got it. I enjoyed myself in the kitchen.
My nigga, you can't go back to my kitchen.
Why?
You not allowed.
For what reason?
What reason do you think, Tasha? Because you obviously crazy. Either you crazy or you playing with my damn emotions. You know I'm hungry as hell. I told you I was hungry before you said you was hungry.
How am I playing with your emotions?
Because you sit there 8 dark. Okay, nothing. I got to explain to a retarded. I'm out.
I ate your face.
Come on,
You
Lloyd.
ate too. We
Lloyd,
don't
come on.
have food.
Come on.
We didn't all have food.
Bye. Stupid. Come on, man. Don't play like that. Come on, yeah.
Bring my Sunday back.
I ain't with you back.
What you He irritated. That's what the hell he get. Because I was irritated earlier with that earlier prank. So that's what he get. He got imaginary food. Noah had to fall victim to it too. They go, y'all. They go. All right, like, comment, share, subscribe. Team Tasha down in the comment section below. And until next time, bye, y'all.
You're my best friend. I'ma spend it on her 'cause she all